Hi, hello GOT classes. Already we solved problems on comparative statements. So now we are starting problems on common size statements. Okay, in the one video itself, let us do the income statement and balance sheet both. Okay, common size. First we are preparing income statement. First check the question and then we will start the solution. Okay, check the question first. You check the question, right? You received the information about 2 years. In the comparative statements, we have prepared, first we will check it out whether it is increased or decreased, and after that what is the percentage. But in the common size, you are finding what is the total percentage carrying out of revenue. Okay, so income statement, first you have to take the base of revenue. Revenue from operations will be always 100%, and after that each and every transaction you will take and what is the weightage or what is the percentage out of revenue that you will be calculating. Okay, so here percentage to revenue we are calculating. Okay, now let's solve the question. First transaction, what is given? Revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. How much? 60,000, 86,000. Revenue from operations 60,000 and 86,000. So these two will be treated as 100%. Okay, these two will be treated as 100%. Now each and every transaction, what is the percentage it is carrying, that we will check. Okay, now first transaction, other incomes 300 and 400. Other income. How much? 300 and 400. How do you calculate the percentage? How do we calculate the percentage? We calculate the percentage individual amount. That means 300 divided by revenue from operations. 60,000 into 100. How much we will get? Where is the calci? 300 divided by 60,000 into 100. It is 5%. 0.5%. So now here we are writing 0.5. And then this one 400 divided by 86,000 into 100. It is 0.47. How much? 400 divided by 86,000 into 100, then you got 0.465. I treat it as 0.47. Okay. Now next, the total revenue. Total revenue. What is the total of this? 60,300, 86,400. How do you calculate the percentage? 60,300 divided by 60,000 into 100. 86,400 divided by 86,000 into 100. This is how we calculate the percentage. Okay, let us see what is the percent. 60,300 divided by 60,000 into 100. Then you got 100.5. Then this one 86,400 divided by 86,000 into 100. We got 100.465. So I call it 100.47. The same thing only, right? If you add, you will get the same amounts. Then this is 100.5, 100.47. Got it? How to calculate? Now the next transaction. Next transaction, cost of materials consumed, that is 18,000 and 20,000. Cost of materials consumed 18,000 and 20,000. Right? How do you calculate the percentage? 18,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. 20,000 divided by 80,000 into 100. We are taking the base of revenue from 86,000. Revenue from operations. We are taking the base of revenue from operations. Okay, for every transaction you will be taking the denominator will be the revenue from operations. Okay. So now let's see the percentage. 18,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. We got 30%. Then here 20,000 divided by 86,000 into 100. We got 23.26. Then this one 30% and 23.26. Okay. Next transaction. It is employee benefit expenses 9,000 and 10,000. Employee benefit expenses. Okay. How much? 9,000 and 10,000. Then what is the percentage? Same procedure. 9,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. 10,000 divided by 86,000 into 100. How much you will get? 9,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. How much? 15%. 10,000 divided by 86,000 into 100. It is 11.63. Now here the percentage, it is 15% and 11.63. Understanding that how we are calculating? Now the next transaction, financial expenses 3,000 and 3,400. Financial expenses 3,000 and 3,400. Again the percentage, 3,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. 3,400 divided by 86,000 into 100. Okay. So now how do we get the percentages? 3,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. It is 5%. 3,400 divided by 86,000 into 100. It is 3.9. 3.95. I will make it 4. Okay. So here it is 5% and this is 4%. Okay, calculate, copy this percentages. How you got the percentages? I am gonna rub that and there I am writing for the next transactions. Okay, please copy them. Now what is the next transaction? It is other expenses. How much? 6,000, 6,600. Other expenses 6,000 and 6,600. Okay, how much we will get? 6,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. It should be 10%. 10%. I am writing directly. 6,600 divided by 86,000 into 100. It is 7.67. Okay, so these are the total expenses. These are the total expenses. Okay, total expenses. What is the total? And this is total revenue, right? What is the total expense? 18,000, 9,000, 3,000, 6,000, 36,000. This one 20 plus 10. 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 3,400 plus 6,600. It is 40,200. How? Not possible. No? 1 second. No? I will check once again. 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 3,400 plus 6,600. It is 40,000. Now let's find out the percentage. 36,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. It is 60%. Okay, 40,000 divided by 86,000 into 100. It is 46.51. Got it? How to calculate the percentage? This is the easiest chapter of total second PUC accounts. Okay, first comparative, just increased or decreased, and then percentage. Common size. What is the base you are taking? If it is income statement, revenue from operations. Okay, that will be the base item. So each transaction divided by revenue from operations into 100. That is how we will be doing. Okay. Now balance sheet how to do? Yeah, we will do in the next question. Okay. Other expenses are done. Next we have to do income tax. Income tax 4,000 and 6,000. First I will write down profit before interest and tax. Okay. How much you will get? 60,300 minus 36,000. 60,300 minus 36,000. It is 24,300. Here 46,400 will get. Okay, let's find out the percentage. 24,300 divided by 60,000 into 100. It is 40.5. This one 46,400 divided by 86,400 into 100. It is 53.70. 53.70. Okay. Next, we have to check what is the income tax. Income tax paid. How much they have paid? Income tax is 4,000 and 6,000. 4,000 and 6,000. Now, what is the percentage? 4,000 divided by 60,000 into 100. It is 6.67. 6,000 divided by 86,400 into 100. 6.94. Now what is the answer? 20,300, 40,400. That is profit after tax. Let's find the percentage. 20,300 divided by 60,000 into 100. 33.83. 40,400 divided by 86,400 into 100. 46.76. Okay. So this is how we calculate the common size income statement. Okay, check it out once again. First, give the base amount 100% to the revenue from operations. After that, each and every transaction divided by revenue from operations into 100. Then you will get the answers. Okay, all of you copy this one. Take the screenshots. Whichever is possible, please do that one. You are done, right? Yes. Now common size balance sheet we are supposed to prepare. Yes. First immediately copy this one. I will come back and let's complete the common size balance sheet. Okay. Bye. Yes. Already you have checked the question, right? Now let's do the solution. So, when we are calculating income statement, revenue from operations will be treated as the base as 100. Correct? So, now when you come to the balance sheet, the total of balance sheet, let it be the total liabilities and total assets. Will it be same? It will be same. Right? So, balance sheet means total of assets and liabilities will be same. So, that amount will be treated as 100. Okay, so now here we are taking that as base. Got it? So now let us check the question and solve it. First write down the format. According to the format, first we will start with liabilities. Under liabilities, you have shareholders funds. What are the shareholders funds given in the question? First one, share capital 5,50,000 and 10,50,000. Share capital 5,50,000 and 10,50,000. First I will write off what is the data and then I will do the percentage. Okay. Next one, reserve fund 2 lakh and 2,50,000. Reserve fund 2 lakhs and 2,50,000. Okay. And the next, long-term liabilities or non-current liabilities. Long-term liabilities, what we have? Long-term liabilities, we have long-term loans, 1 lakh and 2,50,000. Long-term loans 1 lakh and 2,50,000. 1 lakh and 2,50,000. Okay. Next we have current liabilities. Current liabilities. What will come under current liabilities? It is trade payable 1,50,000 and 3 lakhs. Trade payable 1,50,000 and 3 lakhs. Okay. Now the total liabilities. Total liabilities. That we should do the total and find out. What is the total already given in the question, right? Total. What is the total given? It is 10 lakhs and 18 lakh 50,000. 10 lakhs and 18 lakh 50,000. So this should be 100. This should be 100. Let's find out the percentage of each transaction. Okay. So now the first transaction is share capital. How to find out the percentage? Share capital 5,50,000. So 5,50,000 divided by what is the total? 10 lakhs into 100. How much you will get? 5,50,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. It is 55%. Okay. The next one, 10,50,000, right? 10,50,000 divided by 18,50,000 into 100. It is 56.76. 10,50,000 divided by 18,50,000 into 100. You are getting 56.76. Now let's write down the percentages. 56.76. Okay, next 2 lakhs, right? 2 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100. It is 20%. So 2 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100, you will get 20%. Okay, then here 2,50,000 divided by 18,50,000 into 100. What is the percentage? Let us check it out. Okay. 2,50,000 divided by 18,50,000 into 100. It is 13.51. 13.51. Got right? Understood how to calculate the percentages? Individual transaction divided by total into 100. Then you will get the percentage. Okay. Easiest question, right? Next, 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100. According to me, it should be 10%. Then this one, 2,50,000 divided by 18,50,000 into 100. Are you calculating the percentage? Already we calculated. That is 13.51. Okay, so here it is 10% and this is 13.51. The next one, 1,50,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. So it should be 15%. Okay, then this one, 3 lakhs divided by 18,50,000 into 100. How much you will get? 3 lakh divided by 18,50,000 into 100. It is 16.22. So now here you got 15%, 16.22. Even you do the total also, you must get 100. Okay, when you do the total of these percentages also, you should get 100. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10, 5, 10, 100. Here also same thing. Do the total, you will get the 100%. Okay, now let's move on to the assets. What are the assets? First we will be having current fixed assets, current liabilities, long-term liabilities, shareholders funds. Okay, now let's see what are the fixed assets we have. So first let me give the heading of fixed assets. Okay, what are the fixed assets? Directly they have given fixed assets and investments. Fixed assets 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs. Fixed assets 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs. Next you have investments. What is the amount of investments? investments are 2 lakh and 2 lakh 50,000. 2 lakhs and 2 lakh 50,000. Okay. Then next you have current assets. What are the current assets? Current assets, inventory 2 lakh 25,000. Inventory 2 lakh 25,000 and 3 lakh 25,000. Okay. Then the next one, current assets 75,000, 2 lakh 75,000. Current assets 75,000 and 2 lakh 75,000. Okay. Now let's find out the percentages of that. 5 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100, you will get 50%. Okay. Then let's see 10 lakhs divided by 18 lakh 50,000 into 100. How much you will get? Anyway, we calculated. No, we didn't calculate. So let me calculate. 10 lakh divided by 18 lakh 50,000 into 100. It is 54.05. 54.05. 2 lakhs, I think already we have done here 20%. 2 lakh 50,000, it is 13.51. Already calculated, so I am not calculating. Okay, else I have to calculate even them also. Now here 2 lakh 25,000 and 3 lakh 25,000. 2 lakh 25,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100, you will get 2.25 or 22.5. 22.5 you will get. Then 3 lakh 25,000 divided by 18 lakh 50,000 into 100, it is 17.57. 3 lakh 25,000 divided by 18 lakh 50,000 into 100, you got 17.57. What did I how to calculate the percentages? Next, 75,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100, it is 7.5. Okay. Next here, 2 lakh 75,000 divided by 18 lakh 50,000 into 100, 14.86. Now do the total. You should get here 10 lakhs. Do the total. You should get 100%. This is 18 lakh 50,000. Do the total. You should get 100%. Okay. So this is total assets. Understood, right? Do you feel this is the easiest one out of all the topics we have learned till now, right? Yeah, this is the easiest one. We don't have any toughest things in this, just only thing. But don't confuse with comparative and common sense statements. Okay, comparative you have to check whether out of 2 years it is increased or decreased and then percentage. Okay. Common says individually you are finding the percentage. When you are taking the income statement, revenue will be the base. If you are taking the balance sheet, the total will be the base. Okay, for the total you will be giving the 100% and then each transaction, what is the weightage out of total assets that you are finding in percentage basis. Okay, individual item divided by total into 100, then you will get the percentage. Okay, or take the copy it or take the screenshot of this. Okay, done, right? Next, what we will do? Yes. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.